winter's coming.
Yeah, what she said, except winter is already here. So, on that note, hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen. This month we have for you something called Choucroute. It might seem like a German dish, you know, it has cabbage, sausages, beer, but it's actually French. So, let's go. Here's what you need. You can use any meats you'd like. Start by boiling the potatoes for about 15 minutes. You don't want them cooked completely. Then set them aside. Heat the oil and add the sliced sausages and cabanos. I used turmeric infused oil I had at home. Make sure it's golden on all sides. Next, add the turkey pastrami and mix till golden as well. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the potatoes, give it a minute or so, and then add the cabbage. Don't worry, it will shrink down. To that, add the beer. Then the spices. And you've guessed it, mix well. Bring everything to a boil and lower the heat. We want the liquids to reduce a bit. That's it, you're ready to serve. Plate it up and serve it with some quality mustard. To be honest, I couldn't wait. I had to eat some without any at first. There you have it, a hearty, warm dish for those cold winter days. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments below which meats did you use in your choucroute. But most importantly, bon appetit!